Hey y'all, it's Dejanay and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I will be doing another wig install. So the wig that we're going to be reviewing today is by the brand Sensationnel. I've already opened it. I have tried it on, so I do kind of know what it looks like. I'm sorry, I just got really excited when my wigs came in. I was like, I just want to try them on now. So it is from their Curls and Kinks collection. It's a texture wig, 13x6, and it has edges that are kinky. It comes in like the traditional packaging, but this is the wig, so it's a bob wig. It's a bob wig, and I'm putting this on because tomorrow President Biden will be in my church. So I'm like, let me put on a little presidential wig, child. So this is how the wig looks. Now after I put it on, I do kind of wish that I had went with like a 1B or a 2 because I'm not a huge fan of the highlights, but I do still think it's cute. I just feel like it would look really with black instead of the highlights. But nonetheless, I got it in Baylage Hazelnut. So I'm not gonna put a wig cap on for this. I actually cut off all my hair. It's like this short, starting all over. I'm gonna be filming like my hair journey as well. I gotta get all my supplies and stuff together, all of the different things that I want to use to style my hair. But once I figure all that out, then I will be recording my hair journey. So you know it's time to chit chat. Can y'all let me know in the comments if y'all like the chit chat? I mean, I know sometimes you just want to see what the wig looks like, but do y'all like the conversations? And are there certain things that y'all want to talk about? You know, let me know. So I'm gonna be using the Ruby Kisses powder. Usually I use the cream, but I plan to do so much today, but I didn't really get not even half of what I wanted to get done. And it kind of sucks because I have been like very productive and really using my weekends to be pretty productive. But honestly, I just had a lot going on. Some issues with my family as far as health, and it just kind of, that took priority at the end of the day. So I just kind of gave myself time to go through those emotions and to be there for other people and to just do that instead of worrying about content. Oh, I gotta do this, because at the end of the day, like, I can tell when I'm gonna do something good, and I felt like if I would have did that in that moment, then I wouldn't have gotten the result that I wanted because my head wasn't in the right place. But I do want to ask y'all, like, are there things that y'all do to help get in the right place? And like, I know prayer, but like, are there specific things that you pray for, specific things that you do during your time with God to not let your emotions overtake you? Because I'm a type person, I think it's very important to feel your emotions, to go through the emotions so that you really understand what's going on and so that you know the proper way to address it. But at the same time, I don't want to continue to live a life where I'm always overtaken by my emotions and I can't, like, it just interrupts my day. Like, I can't go on with my plans because I'm so bogged down by my emotions. So if y'all have any like things that y'all suggest, please let me know down in the comments, because that's something that I'm going to be continuing to like work on and ask God, you know, about too. Okay, let me take this off. It kind of gives like Trudy Proud. It's actually kind of cute. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of cute. Okay, so y'all can see the edges. The edges look kind of crazy, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, they kind of look kind of crazy. They are textured. They do have on their box to use a pressing comb to kind of get the edge texture that you desire, because like this won't do. Like, honestly, I feel like the textured edges go better with curly kinky hair. But if you're gonna use like a sleek style, even though this has like that kinky texture to it, if you're gonna still like do a sleek style like this, ideally we wouldn't walk out the house with our edges like this with this sleek style. We're still gonna have it like brushed back at least or something, but it's still opportunity for improvement. Like, it's not terrible. This is actually a very creative and cool idea, but you know, I do think that this is better for that type of curl, like that type of look. However, you know, I'm not gonna judge right now, not gonna judge too much right now. I'm gonna take out my press and calm and see, you know, how that helps the situation. So what do y'all think y'all gonna do besides TikTok? I know like people are saying they're not going to different apps. Everybody just kind of talking about what apps they're gonna be going to, but I feel like nobody's really talking about what they're gonna do though. Like, is everybody's plan to just like go to another app but not to actually like invest in anything or try new talent or invest in a new skill? Like, everybody's just like, we're gonna go find dopamine in a new app. And I'm not mad at that. I'm just wondering if anybody else has been thinking about, okay, well, let me see what I can do outside of social media. Because let's be honest, TikTok took a lot of our time. And I mean, again, I'm not mad at it because I thoroughly enjoyed my time on TikTok. It gave me the best dopamine I've ever had. Like, if TikTok is what crack feel like, then but no, but for real, like, TikTok was good. TikTok was good. You learned so much. You were able to teach other people so much. You had community. I mean, TikTok and Lemonade. I'm not gonna count YouTube because I'm just not starting out this channel, but TikTok and Lemonade was like the only apps where I didn't actually talk to myself in my post. Because on Instagram and Facebook, I definitely be talking to myself. Like, I definitely be posting stuff and asking questions or like creating like conversation, and don't nobody be saying nothing. Now I have two and a half friends that will say something. Two for sure consistently will always like comment and support my stuff. Now but other than that, all 1,000 of however many followers I got on Instagram, y'all be just letting me talk to myself. I do want growth on my social media platforms for like other opportunities and stuff. But some people really actually want to talk and communicate and be in community with people. And that's like part of my why for engagement on YouTube. Like, I feel like it's so many cool people out there to talk and learn and engage and educate and be educated by, you know. And it's like, I want to explore and be in community. So like, I'm like not just here as a social media person to just post and not say nothing. Like, let's talk, let's chat, what's going on, how's your day? Like, I'm so for real. And I don't want to talk every day. I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to talk every day, but I'm going to get back to you for sure. Like, come on. I don't know, y'all, this wig might actually be the one. Like, look at the edges. So I didn't even use the hot comb. I don't even know if I'm going to use it because I just put heat on it from the blow dryer to, like, you know, get my wig to stick, and it literally like straightened the hair. It's just unfortunate that we all about to be split up again. It's like we just all about to be split up again. What was that? Child, not me being ready to be Olivia Benson from SVU. I'm like, who is that screaming? If they got some dog that scream, like, I think we still gonna all find each other in some way again. And I think we just gotta keep that energy on other apps. Like, I know everybody's like, you know, all these other social media channels are so intimidating, and I feel like I can't be myself, and I wholeheartedly get it. Like, I posted so much stuff on TikTok that I would never post on my Instagram, and I post stuff on my Instagram that I would never post on Facebook. But like, what if we just do it? Like, what if we just keep doing it? Like, what if we keep just showing up? We showed up as ourselves on TikTok, and believe it or not, that's what made the app so great. We blame the algorithm. We say, oh, the algorithm is what made things so great. Yes, the algorithm was amazing, but the algorithm only showed what we put on the app, and what we put on the app was authenticity. That's that word, right? Authenticity. So if we just keep doing it, as cringy as it may feel, I mean, I feel like it's gonna be better. I don't know. But in other topics, I also wanted to touch on the Jada situation, her outfit at church. Personally, I definitely don't think that the outfit was appropriate for church. And I've heard different takes. And the one that I agree with is the one where it was a girl saying, at the end of the day, we just don't respect God's house, or just like Christian things in general as much as we should. And I think that's kind of what it boils down to. I think we definitely use "come as you are" out of context. Come as you are, yes, more so from a heart posture standpoint, but also pay respect, you know. And I think some people struggle with that because they're like, well, who says that who says that I'm disrespectful to God because I choose to wear this versus this? Like, if I'm in a relationship with God, then what I wear shouldn't really matter. But I think it comes more so from a place, if you get dressed up to go to the club, because you know there's a certain type of attire there. If you follow the rules when you go to a fancy restaurant, or you get cute for your day, or you get cute for YouTube, or whatever the case may be, and then when you show up to God's house, you want to ignore the dress code for how we as Christians show up, then I think that's kind of where the problem is. And I think that if you go to Dubai, you're gonna not wear what we wear in America. I think that if you practice Muslim faith, you're going to respect the attire that they wear. So I think that's just kind of the point that Christians are trying to get across. Delivery could probably be better. And you know, I'm not sure, but that's just kind of my take on things. And I think all in all, we do have to just do better at educating people, seeing things out of love. Everybody don't know. People's minds change. People get caught up in different views. And sometimes, you know, they come back. You just never know where somebody is at that point in time. So yeah, if we just continue to try to say more things out of love, I think it'll be better received. And now I'm realizing that this video is about to pretty much be over because this wig is pretty simple to install. It's not much that you need to do. I just need to add some color around my lace because the lace is too light for me. So again, going in with the pressed powder by Ruby Kisses in the shade 13. Oh, and I don't think I told y'all, this is Bio Silk Spray. It is their silk spray actually, and I got it from TJ Maxx for $9.99. So I actually use this in replace of Eben now, and it works pretty well. The only thing is it can get like a little white on the sides, but you know, just add a little water and it'll come off. So I did mention that the blow dryer did kind of press the edges out, so I think that's pretty nice. I'm still gonna go in with a hot comb to give it just a little bit more something. I don't know. I do need to invest in a hot comb that will that has different temperature settings because it doesn't do well with synthetic wigs. I'm a little nervous about that. I don't want this to melt because this can get really hot. Do that. I wonder if you could do like baby hairs with this, or if this is a style that's just really for a sleek look. Oh, you could probably do a little something. Yeah, you could probably do a little something. Okay, so let's see how this works. It's really cute. I just feel like it's missing something. So I gotta figure it out. I like the way this looks though. Like it looks really good. The hairline looks really good. It's just like missing some type of, you know? Like I might style it like this, you know? Let me show you the bag. I really liked it because of the bag. I love that right there. That's really cute to me. I'm just saying, I'm telling y'all, she was just missing something. So I just did a little 1-2. You know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to do a little 1-2. You don't have to wear your wigs just the way that they come. Be comfortable enough to play around and just see. You either gonna like it or you not. You know what I'm saying? Okay, very nice, very nice. I still feel like the lace is a little too light. My Fenty Beauty in the shade 470. And this is usually like covered up with baby hair, but since I don't have that, you know, but yeah, that was much better. Much better. So I will probably wear mine like this. I like that messy type of look. I can do but yeah, I can do a middle. Just need to press it out to make it lay flat. That's actually cute. And if you want to do like a little style, you can do that. You can do like one of these. You know, a little pull back, a little top knot. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you all liked this video. I hope it was helpful to you all. And yeah, everything that we talked about, feel free to comment in the comment section and share your opinions. I just ask that whatever you share it with love, you share it with the intent of people having that understanding, and you're not sharing things to be condescending or to be mean. Please subscribe, like this video. Engagement really helps, you know, liking, sharing, reposting, commenting. All of that really helps my channel. The more I grow, the more our community can grow, the more that I can invest back into y'all, into other different things. So I really do appreciate your support, especially your support right now. I believe right now I have 26 followers, and I really appreciate y'all. 26 subscribers, and I really appreciate y'all because it's like y'all believe on me, y'all believe in me before anything has ever taken off. And I will not forget this. I will be going through my subscriber count, and in the future I will be doing something very nice for the people who just gave me a chance and just subscribed to me when nobody else was. Like, you saw that I had 0 subscribers, and you saw that I had only 10 subscribers, and you still was like, hey, I like her content, I'm subscribed. That means a lot. So yeah, that's all for this video, and I hope y'all have a great day. Oh, link to this wig will be in the description box.
And I hope that you don't think that I forgot about you. And I'm sorry for the times I said it's not about you, 'cause it's all about you. And tell your friend, pick up the phone, I keep on